was a sound not from my lips, not from my throat, but from deep inside my chest. It was an ancient cry, a soft and hidden sigh, a creature of the light, trapped in silence every night, pressed between my ribs, held by shadows, hurt and fear, lost without a sky, without a way to steer. The moon rose slow, like a whisper from a well, and quietly it woke me, a soul too tired to yell. No words, no voice, just the echo of a bird, broken and unheard. Then one night, in a storm of restless sleep, a vision came so dark, so thick, so deep. I felt myself inside, a maze without escape. A silence wrapped me tight, no sound, no shade. And then a tear, burning as it fell, rolled down my cheek. It tasted just like hell. Blood and fire, pain held far too long. Love unanswered, given with no song. It touched my chest, and the bird awoke. A chill on fire, a storm untamed, an unknown cry.